Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into MD Anderson Cancer Center, full guide step by step clearly. To log into the MD Anderson Cancer Center patient portal, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the official MD Anderson website URL. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, look for the patient portal link. This link is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on the patient portal link to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username into the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. If you don't remember your username or password, look for the Forgot Username or Password link. Click on that link to receive assistance. Follow the prompts to recover your account information. After entering your username and password, double-check that both entries are correct. Once verified, click the Login button to access your account. If your credentials are valid, you will be redirected to your patient dashboard. Here, you can manage your appointments, view test results, and access medical records. If you encounter any issues during the login process, consider checking your internet connection. You may also try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. If you still cannot log in, contact MD Anderson's technical support for further assistance. This will ensure you get the help you need to access your portal successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.